There you go.
Hey everyone, we're gonna be playing In Hatoful Boyfriend.
St. Pigeon Nation is a school based on extensive cultural... I don't know. And facilities. I don't know how to pronounce that.
I'm sorry.
It's already been a year since I ended my ordinary life and walked through these gates as a bird. That I didn't walk through, I actually flew over.
I ended my ordinary life and walked through these gates. Don't think I'm actually a bird.
Well, you are. You are a real bird. I should probably say the school is known for one thing in particular.
Birds.
Birds. This school is Japan's, no, the world's greatest gathering place for gifted birds. You are obviously a bird.
Are there like other places, bird schools? Other bird schools?
Welcome to bird school. Birds who want to study the arts, the sciences, even sports all come to St. Pigeon Nations. The teaching staff and student body are both made up of a diverse blend of birds of different backgrounds and species.
All bird.
All bird
staff.
I'm often asked why I chose to come here despite not being a bird.
Not a bird.
We are a real bird. It's a long story.
One true real bird.
Not every day I see you rushing along like this. Oh! Ryuta.
Ryuta.
Usually you go ahead and read Ryuta.
Usually you have been ready an hour by now, Panini. This slip. Where's the human? Ah, look at that. He's got red eyes.
Doesn't sound like you have
Red eyes. This rock dove was named Kaiwara. I forgot how to pronounce his name. Ryuta.
What you called him before.
We've been friends since he was barely hatched. Touching story. Any comments?
No.
He's very attractive. Look at that nose.
Look at them pointed ears. I love them.
His ears kind of look like someone had a shaky hand while drawing them.
Whatever, keep going.
Still very
Don't
hot.
criticize.
They didn't really
He
care
can be
about
a little
the food.
mischievous, but he's responsible and kind.
I know there's a bleeding heart pigeon or something in this game, and that's the one I'm gonna date.
Breakfast was
Totally.
a little hard to catch today. I couldn't relax without red meat inside. The worm! Early bird gets the worm! Ow.
Living as a hunter-gatherer sounds tough. I'd be happy to make you breakfast, you know.
Make me breakfast. I might take you up on that offer when starvation looms. Thanks, Ryuta. I'll keep changing his name.
You know, you said the same in chat actually.
Oh.
recently.
Oh, the bell already? Come now, we need to hurry to class. Come on. We need to hurry to class. Come now.
Come
Oh,
now.
no.
Jeepers! Jeepers creepers! Jeepers, no good being late on the first day, exclamation point.
Exclamation point. And so Ryuta pulled me along into the school.
So bad. Paul.
Today is the start of new semester. I wonder what lies in store.
Birds.
Birds. It was all I could do to adjust to the atmosphere last year. Better make up for all that lost fun. In Hatoful Boyfriend, most splendid and great academy for the pigeons, but the pigeons, by the pigeons, and for the pigeons. First term.
See, pigeon school.
I like them pigeons.
Yeah, look at them.
Apparently, no birds, no
Ching.
other birds allowed. Only
Ching.
pigeons.
Sheen. Okay.
I think we're in 2-3 at Ryuta, and I are in the same class today.
Same class again.
Today.
I don't know.
Just today.
Just today.
I'm pulling words out of my butt, guys.
I don't know how you got today out of it again.
Congratulations.
Right up.
Wait a minute. Okay. So we are in the same class again. When have we had class with this bird in the past?
Obviously, different bird schools.
I-
We haven't
no,
gotten to our background story yet.
obviously-
It was a long story.
No, remember, you've been here for 1 year already. So this is your second year.
What?
That's what it said. It said this is your second year.
I didn't even catch that.
You're adjusting the entire time.
I didn't
is
even
it your
catch that
second
part.
year?
Old faces, new faces, a strange thrill fills my heart as I look around at the assembled birds. I hope we all get along. Here's to the formation of many happy memories. Oh, the teacher's here. Kazuki.
Are you looking at me for a voice?
Yes, you do Kizuki's voice.
But do it like really high pitch.
Oh god.
I was actually playing out. Good morning, everybody. I'm
Nanaki.
Nanaki Kazumi.
Kazuki.
Sorry, I'm very getting from my own name.
It's a terrible teacher.
I seem to be your teacher this year. I specialize in math and
Birds.
Physics.
and also some other things.
Jeez.
Z.
Sweet dreams, teacher.
Good night, my sweet prince. And he's gone.
That's
Sir,
you.
ow! Sir, wake up! It's homeroom.
You traded the voices.
He sleeps with his eyes open.
That's terrifying.
I was asking the same thing in my mind.
Ah!
Oh look, our teacher.
He needs a haircut. No, I'm kidding.
We're sorry.
This quail is named Nanaki Kazuki. He's a famous scientific math professor. Any comments about this old
He's got a-
sleepy man?
He's got.
He's got gaggy noises.
Hey, you guys don't want me to do
He's
the
got a
voice.
curl. He's got a curl in his hair, and he doesn't look old enough to even be a teacher.
No, he doesn't.
No.
Is he one of the like romantic interests that you can have? Can you date your teacher?
I think anyone
he doesn't
that
have ears.
He has.
But no, I think his hairs are just hidden behind his hair, and
Are they? Does he even have ears?
and I think every character that they show you a picture for, you can date. So
Oh.
yeah, we can date our teacher. That's illegal, but
That's illegal?
I'd heard the rumors, but I hadn't expected him to fall asleep just like that.
obviously he has.
Apparently he's well known as a mathematician, just goes to show great minds come in all forms.
He has narcolepsy.
Don't worry, I'm over here saying sorry to all of you whose ears are hurt from me having to do the voice.
Teacher.
Ah! I'm sorry! Is it not warm in here?
Opens the window, be free birds.
Which reminds me, we have a transfer student that's been here for years apparently.
Not us.
Oh, we're referring to someone else. I am sorry. I'm mistaken.
Oh.
Please introduce yourself. How are we going to say his name?
Shirogan.
Shiragan.
Shirogani. I think it's Shirogani.
Shirogani.
Oh. Oh.
He's going to be very posh and like annoying.
What is the point?
I hate.
What is the point? I have no wish to speak with commoners.
Oh.
Do not think I'm here because I wish to be. You have one fancy tail.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I guess that's that.
That is that. Oh, ah, hey, hey, hey,
Hey,
hey, that's no good.
you still missed the hey.
I said,
There
hey,
were
hey,
three.
hey.
There were three of
I
them.
said, hey, hey, hey.
But he doesn't want to introduce himself. But we can't.
Wait, no, that's me.
Oh wait, no, that's you.
But we can't just let him break the rules like that, sir. The system will collapse and we'll all turn into Kalukas and dissenters.
Dissenters?
Dissenters?
What? We don't know what these mean.
Not sure what those mean.
Sinners!
Just
Dissenters.
listeners.
Well, when you put it like that, could you at least say trying to remember what the name was pronounced.
Very quiet.
Pronunciation from ... very quiet.
Shirogane le bel Sakura. Sakuya?
What fancy
Sakuya!
What fancy cheese his bird is?
Such cheese.
Pudding!
Pudding!
Whoa, look at him! Fancy!
Whoa.
Blue eyelashes.
Got them blue eyelashes.
Blue eyelashes, blue hair, blue eyes. Everything blue, except for his suit being white.
But the
blue.
bird's actual eyes aren't blue, they're like brown.
Yeah.
It seems that this fantail is Shirogane Sakuya. His feathers would make any birdie proud.
Ryoko had red eyes in his anime form, but his actual eyes
I know, I'm so
weren't red.
angry.
These are now their enemy.
His feathers would make any birdie, any birdie,
Anybody.
every birdie.
Everybody.
Anyways,
Everybody don't care about his pride.
this is like an anime form of the birds, right? That's what it
humanoid
looks
form.
like.
Okay.
Well, it's not a picture of an actual human or like a cartoony style, it's anime style.
I want real life people. He's pretty stuck up, and then transferring is never easy. I hope we can be friends.
No, I don't want to be his friend.
I hope I can give him a swirly. Sakuya sits down, glaring daggers at Ryota and me.
Literally
Wait,
dies. I've been pierced through the heart.
My question though, why is he glaring daggers at you when you haven't even said anything?
Oh yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
we did. We told it.
Oh,
said
yeah.
that, that wasn't very polite of him and whatnot. We called him out on his bull.
Yeah,
Yeah, he does kind of have a little.
I don't like him.
But I'm stuck being.
I think this little bird is telling me there's going to be trouble down the line.